Okay, so ngayong araw na to, in this video, medyo mahaba-haba ang video na to, no? Because I intend to make this video long para masagot ko lahat ng mga fact or frequently asked questions sa ating YouTube channel. Pero para hindi kayo mabore sa panonood ng video na to, gagawin ko na lang siyang 3 parts. So, part 1, part 2, and part 3. Oh, love me like the first time again. Parang ganon. So, hi everyone! Crisel Morales here. Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. I believe na ito yung mga questions na gusto nyo talagang masagot. I browse my channel and these are the most or the frequently asked questions sa ating YouTube channel. We shall be starting with this one. Ang una nating sasagutin for today is, can you apply for a credit card after closing some credit card accounts? So, in Tagalog, makakapag-apply ka pa ba ng credit card pagkatapos mong i-close account ang karamihan sa mga credit cards mo? The truth is, hindi naman natin masisisi yung mga nagka-cancel or nagko-close ng kanilang mga credit card accounts. Kasi may mga reasons yan na sila ang nakakaalam at hindi natin alam. Though, I am always telling na kung pwede, huwag tayong mag-cancel or huwag tayong mag-close ng account ng ating mga credit cards because it will really affect our credit score, unang-una, our credit history, pangalawa. So, yun ang mga reasons why I am encouraging you not to cancel or to close a credit card account. Pero, kapag apektado na yung flow ng finances sa family at medyo baon ka na sa utang because of your credit card bills, then, mas importante pa rin ang financial welfare ng isang tao or ng isang pamilya. That's why, if someone decides to close, cancel his or her credit card account with valid reasons, tanggap na tanggap yon. Now, the question is, i-reiterate ko lang, after closing a credit card account, pwede pa bang mag-apply ng credit card sa bangko na yan? Halimbawa, kung saan mo kinancel or close yung credit card account mo. Kapag na-close mo na yung account mo, close na talaga. Hindi pwedeng tumawag sa CSR or sa customer service representative and then ask him or her kung pwedeng i-open ulit yung account na yon. Hindi na pwede. Once it is done and it is closed, closed na talaga yan. Ngayon, if time comes na we decide na parang sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, parang kaya ko nang i-maintain or i-sustain or panindigan ang pagkakaroon ng credit card, and you decide that you want another credit card this time, then it's okay to apply for a new credit card sa bangko na yan or kahit na saang bangko. The good thing is, pwede mong applyan the same credit card that you had. Lalong-lalo na kapag maganda yung benefit, eto lang, paalala. Kapag nagkaroon ka ng problema in paying your credit card bills in the past at kung halimbawang na-submit sa collection department yung account mo, medyo mahirap lang because it really has a big impact sa credit score mo. However, pwede ka namang bumawi by applying for a secured credit card. Mag-inquire lamang tayo sa ating mga bangko. But just in case wala ka namang naging problema in the past regarding paying your bills, pero dinecide mo lang talaga na i-close na yung account mo kasi feeling mo hindi mo na siya kailangan, then wala kang magiging problema with that. Ang gagawin mo lang is, number 1, you need to open a new account like a new applicant or a new client of the bank. ayon, mag-uumpisa ka ulit like the first time you did. Oh, love me like the first time again. Parang ganon. O, old song, old song. Number 2 na possible na mangyayari is your application will undergo process and verification. So, meaning to say, kailangan mo ulit mag-antay. Like the first time you did. Diba, noong first time mong mag-apply ng credit card, you're too excited and gusto mo nga, pag nag-apply ka today, sana bukas may result na. Pero hindi ganon. Eto na, number 3, credit history has a big impact on the decision-making of the bank. Your credit history is a factor that the bank considers in your application. So, napaka-importante talaga kung ano yung mga pinagagagawa mo in the past. It will really reflect and affect your credit card application this time. Diba, once you apply for a credit card, gusto mo ma-approve, of course, diba? But if you remember the first time na nag-apply ka for a credit card, you undergo a dilemma whether you will be approved or not. Confused ka, worried ka, ma-approve kaya o hindi, lalo-lalo na if you are really serious this time at kayang-kaya mo na talagang i-manage ang credit card mo, and the one thing mo, parang gusto mo siyang gamitin, ma-involve sa business ang credit card, that you really find out it's really helpful. But of course, kapag maganda naman yung naging record mo in the past, at okay din yung mga factors na kino-consider ni bangko regarding your credit history, then no doubt, you will be approved like the way you were approved the last time. Kaya nga, I strongly suggest and advise na kapag wala namang dahilan para mag-close ng credit card, wag mo nang i-close yung account mo, especially when you know that you will be needing it in the future. And especially kapag nawe-waive mo naman yung kanyang annual fee or sadyang yung credit card mo talaga ay walang annual fee for life. So there's no big reason for us to cancel or close our credit card accounts. Kasi once you decide in the future to apply, the same process will be done. And of course, possible na ma-approve ka, possible din na hindi. So baka naman kasi pwedeng i-maintain mo na lang. Kung wala namang great factor na makaka-affect in your decision in closing it. Yung mga iba, sinasabi na ang credit card daw ay great temptation. Pero sa akin naman po, depende how responsible and mature you are in handling or in maintaining your credit card account. Okay, so there you go. Sabi ko maigsi lang ang ating video for today, pero 3 topics kasi ito. So hahati-hatiin ko talaga siya into 3 parts para hindi mahirap panoorin, lalo na yung mga sit-down videos like this one. Sometimes it's boring or sometimes hindi tayo, our patience tolerance is not really that long. Pero I would suggest na bear with me always. Be patient in watching the videos because I believe na kahit hindi man kompleto yung gusto mong malaman na information, may mapupulot at may mapupulot ka pa rin. Kaya doon po sa mga nagsasabi na sana hindi ko na lang pinanood ang video na to kasi wala naman akong napulot, well, I suggest go to the other videos that I have uploaded in the past kasi I can never please any one of you. I can never please all of you rather. So, kapag hindi po yun yung kailangan mo na video, then marami naman po tayong mga videos pa. Just go to my YouTube channel. May playlist tayo doon. And you can choose kung ano ba talaga yung video na alam mong makakatulong sa'yo. There you go, natapos na naman tayo for the first part. So, see you in our part 2. So, sana po mag-subscribe kayo at sana din ma-like at ma-share ninyo ang ating mga videos like this one para magkaroon din ng ideas yung mga kaibigan natin or members of our family. Thank you so much. And as what I always say, disclaimer palagi, no? So, I may or may not satisfy you with this video or with this topic. But again, whatever the idea that you think is right for you and best for you, go for it. So, in conclusion, ang kasagutan ng question kanina na pwede pa bang mag-apply ng credit card after closing a credit card account? ang sagot ay yes na yes. Remember, whatever it is, kahit ano pa yung mga problema natin, the trials that we have, always remember that life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!